Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
That there is a man called Atiku Abubakar. The election that brought him in from 1999 to 2007 were rigged elections. God bless the soul of Umaru Musa Yaradua, who although got victory at the Supreme Court, he confessed that their elections were rigged. PDP is a national rigging organization, and we know them. But the Supreme Court has awarded them votes on 2 to 3 occasions. Obedience, smoke una here. The man called Peter Obi contested under AFGA. So no be saying, we know him before. He lost the election and he went to Anambra tribunals up to the level of Supreme Court to reclaim his mandate. He got it and he governed for 8 years. APC, those that are saboteurs in our organization, our party, our ruling government, we know now, but that is not the issue. If you have any problem, you go to court. PDP, if you have any problem, you go to court. APC, if you get problem, you go to court. Labour Party, if you get any problem, you go to court. Yaradua did something for the people of the Niger Delta. Buhari did something for farmers. It is time for the next president to do something for voters. That is the reason why we are coming here. Whether as media men, or police, or DSS, or security officials, it is our turn to be taken care of by the country that we so belong to. Yes. Everyone born of a woman in this country does not even have anything to be named to him from 0 years to 18 years. Only NYSC is the first place where government has organized stipends for those who go to school. Those who don't go to school come. So I want to affirm that we the voters voted Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That's how it be. The Jagaban of the universe. Yes, so the man that said prayerfully, Emi loko. It is time for him, time for his nation, time for his country, time for his people, time for his enemies, time for his frenemies, time for his friends, time for the jobless, time for the needy, time for the aged, time for the weak, time for citizens of this country, time for the security forces, time for the helpless Nigeria. Out of 90 million votes, he won with 8 point something million votes. Is it not clear to you that the spirit of June 12 is upon us? With a difference. Because God is always a God of justice. That's so it be. 30 years later, he has returned the mandate to the man who was consistent in pursuing this goal. So the sole purpose of this solidarity is to thank President Muhammadu Buhari. That's all. They called him Jubilee. He was patient. They said he was dead. He was patient. They said it didn't matter. He was patient. They called him all manner of names. He was patient. That's all. I want to inform that PDP once told us there is something called do or die. Another one told us that if it is not him, Nigeria will burn. Another one contested and went to Supreme Court 3 times. Let it be said clearly that no one Nigerian in this country is above everybody. Right. So, only one Nigerian cannot make a president. No man in this country can win election as president without partnership. So Kwankwaso won where he ought to win, based on his networks and partnerships. Atiku lost where he was supposed to lose, based on his inability to manage his network and partnerships. Peter Obi lost because he was unable to galvanize the right network and partnerships. Bola Ahmed Tinubu won because he secured the right network and partnership. That's all. Our demands is very simple. Nobody should come and intimidate the Supreme Court of Nigeria. This is our land. Yes. It is our country. Yes. So, we have a say in this country. Yes, so. And above all, this is our government. Yes, so. Nobody can gang up to attempt to intimidate our government. We have been patient enough. Having said this, we call on the security agents to say thank you for not doing the work that people thought you do. They thought you always rig elections. You stayed with us in this election free and fair. The president, for not misusing his power, he stood with us and he conducted elections free and fair. We also want to thank Nigerian voters that voted in the election. There were skirmishes in one place or the other. But if you have grievances, go to court. And when you get to court, stay in court. Let the judges, let them deliver their judgment that PDP, Obi, and others, even Buhari, has benefited from before. Above all, we want to tell our people that what matters in this country is a better country. Yeah. And every security man, media man, young man, old woman and old man, we are all in the need for the same thing. Why we have come out to say, I want to say that we are very happy. Please. We are very happy. We are very happy that President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a player. Some people said they did not want him, but he said it's his turn to make Nigeria better. From his party, he won the elections. They said he was sick. He went around the nation uniting his party. So for us, as a people and as a party, we want to thank the following person. First, President Umaru Musa Yar'Adua, who let us know that PDP is a national rigging organization. Number two, we want to thank President Goodluck Jonathan, who considered when he saw the reality and gave power to President Muhammadu Buhari. Thirdly, we want to thank President Muhammadu Buhari, who ended up allowing a free, fair, and credible election. That's all. We want to thank our mother, the mother of the nation, Hajia, Her Excellency, Aisha Buhari, when she spoke up for the people and said, we know the voters, and the voters ought to be taken care of. It did not happen. Along the line, she decided to support Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And today, a man that knows the people and knows the masses is here as president. Let's congratulate all the senators, all the aspirants, everybody that won on all political parties.
If they decide to go for another option other than going to court, what are they doing? If they decide to take another option other than going to court, what are you going to do?
We will clash. We will clash.
Council, if you know.
We will clash.
What do you mean?
I said we will clash.
Finish. Terms of protest.
This is our government. They should come and intimidate us. They should go to the Supreme Court. They should go there. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is president-elect, and on his mandate, we shall stand.
Yes.
Thank you.
Apart from this, you are on to Nigerians, and Nigerians are with you. Nigerians are all with you. What is your next step now?
Your mandate, your mandate, we shall stand. Your mandate, we shall stand. I say we don't stand, we shall stand. Your mandate, your mandate, we shall stand.
Your next step.
Now, we want to inform the security agencies to boldly take over the streets of Nigeria. We want to inform them to boldly take over any attempted manipulation or coup-like operation.
Yes.
We will confront, we will stampede, and we will challenge.
Yes.
The court is the best basin of all the masses. And nobody is protesting about election.
Yes.
Go and vote for your governors and stay in court.
You are on live to GTV Africa, and now these are the group of the natives, as they call themselves, and they've been spoken about what they expected Nigerians to be. This is GTV Africa showing you live from Abuja, and this is in the front of the presidential villa in Abuja.
If you come, you can everybody So duk wanda yake da hankali ya yi hankali. Haka ne. Muna titi, muna kallo, muna ji. Duk wanda yake da hankali ya je ya zauna, ya jira a kotu, ba haɗu a kotu. Gwamnati ta ce a je kotu.
An yi magana cewa ba taɓa zaɓen ma da yake kuma wannan mai za ka ce.
Where is my house? Where my house? For time. ¡Está loco! ¡Está loco! ¡Está loco! ¡Está loco! Just address your people.
Well, you are on live to GTV Africa. Live, one of the students' leaders is about to address his people.
This is our time. Yes. Nobody will come and say this election is not a free and fair election. Yes. This is one of the best elections we have had in Nigeria ever. Let's give 3 fundamental voters to the president-elect. Voter! Let's give another 3 voters to the outgoing president. Voter! What our enemy? For the enemy. Some waiting for 1 time, some waiting for 2 times, some waiting for 3 times, some waiting for 4 times. As a matter of fact, we are in charge in the streets. Any attempt or attempted attempt to see Tinubu in the streets or articulate, we are going to deal with them. So they should go to court. Please, they should go to court. These people, it's okay. Enough is enough. We don't want to see anybody in the streets. Thank you. Oh, you make us see una hand.
When you are on live to GTV Africa, you've listened to the group, and we are still speaking. They are in front of the presidential villa. That's the entrance to the presidential villa, and you've listened to them. Well, I got this. I saw them on the road, and I quickly have to bring this to you on this time. Just as usual, the GTV is always on ground to bring to you happenings in and around the environment. Well, till I come back to your way and give you other updates as it is. This is GTV Africa live from Abuja.
We are going to the villa now. We are going to the villa now. All the leaders come forward. All the leaders come forward. All the leaders.
Where the group are saying that they are heading towards Villa, well, how it's going to be, I will be with you, and you are going to be with me as usual. And let's see how things will turn away, and let's see how things will go.
Senate President. Hey, it's my comment. No. No, I will stop them here. Don't worry. Me, you will see where I stop. Everybody will stop. Just follow me. As we reach down that stop, we all stop here. Did they hear? Yes, sir. All the leaders come forward.
You stop here.
No. Don't worry. Don't worry, I'll bring you.
Man, I keep your phone.
Let's go. In this country, anybody that wants to protest for anything, they should protest. We don't want to see any protest around here in the name of election. Una dey hear me? Yes. If una think say una want do wetin una no want see, this government belongs to us. This is our government. Nobody can intimidate President Muhammadu Buhari. He is the president. He has not misused power. No. He has not misused the constitution. Yes. He has not misused any. Yes. So if una want justice, go to Supreme Court. I remain there. If you are not happy with it, start from tribunal, go to Supreme Court, go to Supreme Court, and then prepare for next election. So having said that, I want to keep the nation on. Yes. I want to keep the nation on. I hear you, my leader. Particularly Dino Melaye. Particularly Dino Melaye. Particularly Dino Melaye. Particularly Dino Melaye. He was the first person that said he wanted to rape one of Tinubu's wife. We kept quiet. He called Buhari to bring a dead man. We kept quiet. He said our own president-elect is sick and in a shake. He fell down. We kept quiet. We kept our eyes on the ball. We have won election.
Now who they concentrate, they win, sir.
Any attempt to come and operate a full-like protest, we will do what?
Resist it.
We will resist it.
We resist it.
Nothing.
They say we don't sabi, but we sabi.
Nothing.
They say we don't sabi, but we sabi.
Voters.
We will vote.
So let it be clear that President Muhammadu Buhari is in charge.
Yes,
We're his boys on the street and we're in charge.
yes,
The government is our own, we're in charge.
yes,
The president-elect is our candidate and won, and we're in charge.
yes,
On your mind.
yes, we shall stand. On your mandate, we shall stand. On your mandate, on your mandate, on your mandate, we shall stand. On your mandate.
Well, you are on live to GTV Africa. This is the frontage of presidential villa. The group have just made known what they want to do and what they want to tell Nigerians, and they are taking off, moving on to their way. This is GTV Africa bringing to you live from here. Group are moving out of the environment, and the little that I can do, I have done that, and hope to see any other thing that will happen in the future. But as it is, the group are going back on their way, just to show you the level of their movement. Well, by the side there, you see the APC senators heading straight to presidential villa for their meeting, and you can see down there some of the party officials heading straight for the meeting that is taking off 12 o'clock.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.